So no 2018, mi bit sinoti mo get all principals lo ogra school all bin kam wokim in service blow na mi meet one them all principals na mi talking all principals. You may need long increasing quality blow education blow beginning blow you. Na mi put him out on the challenge lo this la time. Na mi hamama so sem now some year behind. All get all education practitioners by me. All line is step inside the work law. Give him school law beginning blow you me. Only bung him ting blong all. Now only come up in this la work. Na me like oh, thank you Thomas. Lo you bla ogera. Me can support him you bla. Suppose you bla come up and some good bla ting. Lo help him all. People blow you. Plenty time walk you miss I walk him. I miss I go abrus na ino sa kisi mat blow him. Na people blow you me is a paying price blow this bla. Cost blow him. And you me look him lo community blow you me. You may look at plenty bagrap staff, plenty old beginning blow you me, even all young man na marry now all start. All you know kiss him enough school. They haven't been educated enough. Suppose man may kiss him good education, marry him kiss him good education, this education by senis him passing blow him. Time passing you know senis mean no some education you know come up good. This la heavy you know me Sepik the solid God, whole country God. One blood challenge all the time is I put him on top of you blow Sepik. Some play you plus I one bill one day me, some play you plus I bill heavy one day me. But challenge them all same. Everybody in this country is waiting for someone to take the lead. Now if everyone is waiting, who is going to take the lead? Now Misa Dogi you blow Sepik I mosem. Yes, you may get big like na one bell long all get our beginning of Papua New Guinea. That's what you may speak. We have no choice. Because one of us had the call and Karim heavy blow all get a Papua New Guineans. Now me push lokisim independence. Me no sabe lo yuplata so me say feeling this like heavy and that lo sonda blow me. The call came to a Sepik. Law and order emi bagrap. Economy emi bagrap. Medical services emi bagrap. Education emi bagrap. Ogada something emi bagrap. So who's going to fix it? Are we going to wait for someone to come from heaven? Someone has to move with the first step. No, I don't mean you be fighting bros or so off. No, God. This needs to be done. We cannot have half-baked citizens. Time beginning, I mean, no school good. I mean, no kissing good plus sabe. You me walking half man and half meritaso. That is not good enough. We need to raise the standard. Time old man walking more PPA quality road. Now you may Sepik too are making PPA quality road. Mr. talking more engineers. Someone needs to build a better quality road. Time Papa I been stabiat na only maki me chairman blong borom housing. Na floody blue play complain lo health services. First something me look sabe long eme mosem. You mean not a workman ya? Online where all white man been training all no work no look out him late post na desla kaini a plenty only lapu na indigenous. So house marasin em sanat workman em no gan. And problem people are facing no all get all district blow. And then people start push now want them triangulate mark maludu and champion straight for this or something. And to governor with me tram lo paini mall. Workman lo Raihu na amigo try paini mata lo Highlands and Hadia. You need him school blow you me lo here. Whereby me training more people blow you me yet lo walk inside lo this lo head post. Even now miss him sabe na ting blow this lo man mak maludu na misa call him name blow him yet. I want them sister Celine Yakasere. Catholic Health Services. Sing out blow to blood. So time online Albina ma come to me no wasting time. misabutim tasol because ting ibin stop yet lo mak maludo na Sister Celine to play Lucy mi play openis but ting to play stop yet. We had to make it happen. One can do you play looking you may end up want them nesting college lo borom na you may got nar plan nesting stream ken lo kindy because we need the workers. This year tasol online lo yumi lo PHA only kisim approval long 800 la position. Lo pudi mo work money go back no more. All place lo yumi. House marasin lo place. So we had to build it from scratch.